Hello, Ricky Lansing here. I'm going to teach you my all-time favorite stretch that really helped me out for the past 30 days. It maintains my back, preventing from back spasm, back tightness when I'm sitting down for a long period of time. So I hope this helped you guys out also. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you bring your 2 feet close to your buttocks as possible, like so. And then with your 2 hands, you interlace it like this. You put it behind your back like a pillow. You lay down.
And then you bring your leg up, cross it over, make sure it's locked, and then you bring this knee down while having your shoulders in position like so. Alternative way, if you're having problems, have your partner push this knee down while holding this shoulder in position. Let's get to it.
Same goes for the other side.
Leg up, crossover, lock, and then bring it down.
Alright, hope that helps. Do this on a daily basis. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.